how to change phone number in PayPal. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to paypal.com. Once you're routed to the page, simply sign in to your personal PayPal account. So right here, you can see my PayPal dashboard, and in the upper right hand corner beside log out, there's the settings button. Click on it. After clicking on settings, simply select or go to phone numbers. And there you can see a change link. Click on that one. In order for you to change primary phone number, all you need to do is to add a new number. So click on this button. Alright. Now, once you've added, input the new phone number and the category is mobile. Once you've added the phone number, change it as your primary phone number in PayPal. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys find this video helpful.